Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down $2.85, 0.4%, closed at 708.26. Post market, we are down 176 at 706.50. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we came close to our big downward resistance that we have been following for a long time, and we did not break it today. We came close to it, close but no cigar. So we came right up to it, and nobody wanted to be above approximately 740.50 today. Nobody wanted to pay more than that. And then the sellers won that round towards the end of the day, because look at this. We have a super long wick here at the top. So this is showing us that the price came up and then the price came down. The price fell quite hard. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So yeah, this was the first hour of the day here. Nice big green candle. And on the second hour, this is where we perfectly touched our downward resistance. Couldn't be more perfect than that. And then we lost everything. We lost everything, and we are back at square one at around, we have a support right here at 706, which is the high that we had on June 15th. Stochastic is weakening a little bit. We are at 67. Not too bad. You should watch 706. Watch 706 to see if we might be coming back down a little bit or not. Going back on the daily chart. So stochastic at 50. So stochastic is not at 60. So it's not the time to really get into that stock. And also, we are still within this downward resistance. So we need to break the resistance, then have a stochastic over 60 in order to really consider this a move that we can profit from on the daily chart. We still have, this is still pretty good. This is pretty good here. Pretty nice support. So this is a nice strong support. And this is also a nice strong support. So if I prolong these two lines, so the stock is going to have to make a decision at some point, because it's going to have to either break this resistance or break this support to go down. This is what we do with technical analysis. We are watching changes in trends. So we have a trend here that says that the stock stays above 619. And we have a trend that says that the stock is staying lower than this line here. And these two trends can coexist for now, but they won't be able to coexist at the same time when these lines cross, and then the stock will have to do something. So basically, this is what we do. We wait for the right opportunity before we get in. We don't try to buy the dip, and watch the stock go down at the same time. We don't do that. We don't buy the dip when the stock is in a downtrend, because that's a sure way to lose money, at least on paper. So we try to buy a stock when it starts a bull trend. Right now, it's in a downtrend, but as soon as we break this downward resistance and have a good stochastic, then we are going to revert into a bull trend. And if you watch me every single day, you will know when this happens. And then you can then decide for yourself if you want to get in or not. So stochastic at 50, we still have MACD broke over bullish. We have the green line above the red line. RSI is still below 50, so that's not very bullish. And DMI is getting very close. That's very interesting here. So it's very close to crossing. And DMI is the laggard indicator. It takes DMI a while. But in this case, because the stock came down, came back up, came back down again, this has impacted DMI, and we could be close to having something come up a little bit. Of course, we have the earnings call here on July 25th. So the stock might not be moving that much before this time here because people are going to maybe wait to see what is going to happen with all the Shanghai closures that we have and things like that. Let's go look at the VIX a little bit. VIX is falling down. So we can see that we are in a downtrend for VIX. This will help the stock market a little bit. Let's look at our indices. So Dow Jones is rebounding a little bit on this. The stochastic is very weak, so this is a weak rebound. It is not to be trusted so far. Same thing with Nasdaq, with S&P 500, not to be trusted. Nasdaq Composite, not to be trusted, and the Nasdaq 100, not to be trusted either. It's not a very bullish market that we have right now. It's quite a bearish market. We are just bouncing a little bit, but bouncing and rebounding a little bit does not mean that we change trend. At least not when we are looking at more longer trends like this, and even this one right here. So thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.